Welcome to Gladglam Makeup Academy, a Latina-owned business founded by two sisters from Santa Ana. Our mission is to help aspiring makeup artists achieve their dreams. Located at 901 W Civic Center, Dr. 170, Santa Ana, Con 92703. Meet our dedicated team. Gladys, our Spanish instructor with over 14 years of experience. Andrea, our admissions coordinator and published makeup artist. Myrna, a licensed cosmetologist. And Taddy, a full-time makeup artist. We offer a variety of services including blogs, hairstyling, bridal makeup, and virtual classes. Whether you're a beginner or a professional, we provide personalized attention and guidance to help you succeed. At Gladglam, we believe in giving back to the community. We offer internships and job opportunities to our students, ensuring they have the resources they need to thrive in their careers. Join us at Gladglam Makeup Academy and take the next step in your makeup and hair journey. Will you be our next student? Contact us at 714-224-6427 and become part of our supportive community. This listing is brought to you by our Santa Ana. We help connect you with real people, real services, and real neighbors.